Hey everyone, today's tutorial I did be sharing with you sharp party eyeshadow look, a very simple and quick eye look to create. There is no much blending in this eyeshadow tutorial. I have created winged eyeliner. After creating winged eyeliner, it seems like fish cut eyeshadow makeup. You can skip this winged eyeliner part and go without winged eyeliner. It will still seem good. If you like this eyeshadow look, you want to know how to get this step by step, then please continue watching. For makeup palette, I'm using Wet n Wild palette, and first eyeshadow that I would be using is black, and this is the only eyeshadow that I would be picking. And after this I would be packing only glitter eyeshadows. I'm outlining my outer V. After outlining my outer V, I would be shaping my crease. Wave is what you're supposed to get here, and this should come up extremely neat. If you fail here, your eyeshadow look will go wrong. So be very careful when you're outlining your crease. Wave is what you're supposed to get and outline it neatly. Take your time and make sure that you outline your crease very neatly. I'm slowly filling whole of my eye using the black eyeshadow. Pick black eyeshadow from any palette. It should be jet pigmented. It should have very solid pigment. Don't go for light black eyeshadow. Pick a very dark black eyeshadow for this eye look. Golden glitter I'm packing on my eye mid. Focus on eye mid only. Cover completely eye mid using a golden glitter eyeshadow. Pulling this golden towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. Leave only certain space here for silver eyeshadow. Rest you pack glitter, golden glitter. Next I'm picking silver eyeshadow and I'm packing it here. The remaining should be covered using this silver glitter. Blend both of the glitter eyeshadows well. Push the glitters towards each other to blend well. Next I'm creating winged eyeliner. This is optional. You can either do it or skip it. You can stop till here for purpose of eyelash application, but I am pulling a wing. Next I would be creating pointed inner corner. This shapes your eye and your eye looks extremely beautiful after creating pointed inner corner. I'm coating kajal on my waterline after this. I'm using Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. You'll find links to all the products used in the description box below. Begin smudging the kajal on lower lash line. Move the brush back and forth. It is a small flat brush from PAC. It's 383. I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Move the wand in upward directions 4 to 5 times, and when you're applying on lower lashes, hold the wand vertically and begin moving on the eyelashes. I'm highlighting my brow bone using silver foil. You'll find link to this foil in the description box below. A very beautiful foil and a very apt foil to highlight brow bone, and it's done. This is the final look. If you like this tutorial, then please consider subscribing my channel, and if you have any doubts, please put them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for your time. Take care and bye.